How to make delicious kale chips. Kale is one of those foods that we know is good for our health, but due to its nutty, earthy flavour, some people find it hard to palate. Another thing that puts people off kale when it's raw is that it's fibrous and hard to chew, but by cooking it, it softens the flesh and makes it into something far more edible. So how can we turn something that's slightly unpalatable into one of our new favourites? Kale chips, or crisps as we call them in England. This is so easy you will kick yourself. First, turn your oven on to 160 degrees centigrade. Then, take half a bag of kale and cut any large pieces into something more bite-sized. In particular, you want to cut the stems in half to help the heat break down their structure. Then, take a healthy oil such as olive or coconut oil and drizzle roughly a tablespoon on top. The added benefit of using olive oil is that it will help absorb the fat-soluble vitamins contained within kale. Now, give this a good toss. Add a few pinches of salt and toss again. I use pink Himalayan salt because it has a greater mineral content and is far healthier for you. If you want to add a little bit of extra flavour, at this point you can add spices or other seasoning. Chuck on a baking tray and place in the oven for 10 minutes. Halfway through, take it out the oven and give it a mix. This will help to distribute the heat and crispiness evenly. Now place back in the oven. It's done! Depending on how crispy you like it, you can always add or take a minute off the time. However, I like mine like this because as well as their crispiness, some still retain a little bit of their chewiness. So, do you know what goes great with these? Personally, I like to eat mine with a curry or a stir fry because they remind me of the crispy seaweed you get from Chinese takeaways. Give it a try. Remember, if you've gained value from this video, please hit the like button and share with your friends. And to see videos containing more information discussing similar topics, please subscribe to my YouTube channel now where I'm regularly releasing similar content. But also, if there is a subject that you're interested in and would like me to cover in my videos, please message me in the comments box. There you go, that's how you make delicious, nutty kale chips. Thanks for watching.